In this session, I'm just going to show you how to set up the infrastructure so that you can use Python within Fabric. Click on Workspace. We're going to add a new workspace. This workspace I'm going to call Python examples and click Apply. You'll see that I've actually got my trial of Fabric running and I've got a new workspace called Python. Within here I'm going to create a Lakehouse. You need to have a Lakehouse enabled to store your data. So we enable a Lakehouse and I'm going to call it Python examples and click Create. I now have a new Lakehouse that's set up within a Fabric workspace that will enable me to run Python. And you can see in here I've got all of the data structures required.